Hi, today we'll be making masala chai. What we need is ginger, cardamom, cloves, some pepper powder, 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup milk, some tea leaves, and sugar. To begin, let's boil some water and add the cloves, the cardamom, dash of pepper, and the ginger. Now we need to crush the ginger. I'll show you how. So I'm going to use a pucker. I'm going to catch hold of the ginger and I'm going to crush it like this. So it's going to add flavor. That's how you crush it properly. And now I'll wait for the water to come to a boil. When the water is boiling, I'm going to add a level spoon of the tea leaves. 30 seconds later, when the tea has become nice and black, I'm going to add the milk. Now it's going to be about patiently waiting for it to develop some color. So let's close the lid and just wait. When brown color starts appearing, then I will add a spoon of sugar. But I like it to be more brown, so I'll wait. While I wait for the tea to have a richer color, I have to be prepared that a lot of water is going to be evaporated and I'm going to be left with just half cup. But that's okay as long as it is my color. And I think it looks perfect now. And now just sieve it out and you have your favorite cup of tea. In your favorite glass, mind you. Bye.